Well, hello everyone. How are you all doing today? I hope good. I will be attempting on how to create Facet Diamond Gemstone Nails, where the entire nail looks like a 3D diamond inspired by Japanese styled nail art. First, as always, I fully wash and dry my hands. On the smallest fingernail, I am applying Santee's Mirror Effect Silver Polish, which is a metallic polish that needs to be applied pretty quick in a swift-like motion because this can dry up pretty fast and you don't want any clumpy streaks. On my ring finger, I will be applying number 8 blue, on my middle nail, I will be applying number 7 golden rose. On my index finger, I will be applying color number 2 gold. And on my thumb, I will be applying color number 4, purple. These mirror effect polishes must be applied twice on each nail. I then remove any excess polish around the nails with pure acetone. After finishing up with the nail painting, I am using a cosmetic wedge sponge that I am cutting up into little square pieces. With LA Colors Color Craze So Famous gray colored polish, I'm dabbing around the nail edges with the small painted cosmetic wedge, creating somewhat of an ombre look. Doing the same on my ring finger with Kleancolors Neon Sapphire polish, LA Colors Color Craze Transformer onto the middle finger, then using BonitaColors Cappuchino around my index finger, and last but not least, O.P.I's Viking in a Vinter Vonderland onto my thumbnail. After the dabbing is complete, I'm removing the excess polish around the nails with pure acetone again because I don't want any excess colors here. With a jewelry 3D mold, I am applying the Mia Secrets clear acrylic material into the mold square diamond spaces. Make sure there are no bubbles. After the acrylic has set, I pop out the 3D diamond as you see here. The BYB's Bond Nail Glue will be applied behind the 3D square diamond as I hold it with these nail tweezers. After gently setting the 3D diamond carefully on the middle of the nail and making sure it is set after 20 seconds. I then go over the nails with Kleancolors clear top coat. Then applying the nail glue to the sides of the 3D diamond to apply rhinestones for a framed look. Now applying Born Pretty Soak Off Clear Gel Polish over each nail and making sure the clear gel sleeps into the open edges to create a glossy, shinier look to the 3D diamond squares. Making sure that the gel goes right around the rhinestones as well. Again, removing the excess gel around the nails with acetone. After curing for 60 seconds, I'm rubbing off the tackiness of the gel polish with 90% rubbing alcohol. With, of course, a cosmetic wedge sponge. Then applying cuticle oil. I'm going to moisturize these nails. And here is the finished look. Perhaps in the next video I'll be using a different method on creating the style again, but I think it came out alright for a first timer. Alright, if you enjoyed the video and found it somewhat helpful on creating this style, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future content, and don't forget to drop a comment for a shout out. You all take care now and be good to each other. Bye!